Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a use up. I'm going to make some beautiful risotto balls. I'm just using the leftovers from my chicken and asparagus risotto. Let's make some risotto balls on the Chef Mooney channel. So I've just added 1 beaten egg to this mixture. It's going to help bind everything together. Give it a good mix. This is the leftover risotto. We're going to roll them into balls. I've got about 14 or so, and I want to pop them into the freezer once I've rolled them so that they firm up a little bit. Now they've been in the freezer for about 20 minutes just to firm up. Into our flour, egg wash and breadcrumbs. This is called crumbing, and we're going to place them onto a tray and let them defrost a little bit before we put them into our deep fryer. And while our risotto balls are defrosting slightly, I'm going to make a little bit of a dipping sauce. We're going to add some fresh cilantro or coriander, followed by a couple of tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a little bit of lemon zest and some lemon juice. This is going to be a beautiful, fresh and vibrant sauce to go with our risotto balls. I've set my fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. I'm going to drop these risotto balls into the hot oil and cook them until they're beautiful golden brown. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Let them drain in the basket a little while and then it's time to serve. Guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, share it on your social media, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.